Hello again, folks, and welcome to another Lifestyle with Ivan. And today, we're in the kitchen today. Me and my wife are in the kitchen today. She's cooking some peas and rice, green pigeon peas and rice. And I have here some salmon and some grouper. I have the salmon's in lemon, soaking in lemon, and I have the grouper soaking in lemon. Right here, I have some butter and some garlic. That's what I'm going to use for the salmon. I'm going to bake the salmon. I'm going to season the grouper, and I'm going to fry them. So she's doing the rice. I'm going to make some potato salad and some coleslaw. She's doing the rice. And some plantains. She's doing the rice. I'm going to cook these fish up and get them started. Okay, I've seasoned my fish. On the salmon, I use some of this Everglades heat. I use a touch of black pepper. I use some lemon pepper. And I also use, like I said, the garlic. In this bowl right here, I have some butter, I have the garlic, and a small piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, in the microwave, to melt the butter in some lime juice. It's going to melt, and I'm going to pour it over the fish, and I'm going to put it in the baker. The grouper, I'm going to fry these, and I'm going to kind of saute or make like a gravy to go with this grouper here. So this is the garlic, the butter, the Scotch bonnet, and the lemon juice melted down. But this is what I put on. This is how I season the salmon. I cut some bell pepper, little onions, some onions, and the tomato, and put it on top to top it all off. I'm just going to put some scallions on top, and then I'm going to add that smells good. That was the lemon, the Scotch bonnet, and garlic. I just put it in there. Now I'm going to put a piece of foil over the top, and I'm going to put it in the ovens for about 20 minutes and let that cook. Let that garlic and everything get and let that salmon cook. I'm just frying those groupers, frying them almost done, because I'm going to make like a gravy to go with it. So I just want to get it kind of cooked, but not fully cooked, because it's going to finish cook when I make the gravy. Well, folks, there go the fish. I let it brown. I let it cook a bit, but I didn't let it cook all the way through. Now I'm about to just let it simmer down and like make a little gravy. I am going to make the gravy the way I make the gravy. This is how I make or you might call it smothering down the fish. I let my pan get hot, and the same fish, the oil I cook the fish in, I take a couple of spoons of that. Scallions, bell pepper, tomato, and some a little Scotch bonnet. Let's see, my vegetables are almost sauteed. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna add some tomato paste. After I let the tomato paste, and let the vegetables simmer down, I add a half a cup of water. And as the water comes to a boil, as you can see, I add the fish to that to the broth, so that it'll finish cook the fish. So I turn my stove down and let this finish like boil down a bit, so to finish cook it. And I lightly season the gravy for taste, and just let this simmer down, and that'll be good. Here it is, folks. Final product: peas and rice, some fried plantains, potato salad. That's the steamed grouper that I steamed on the stove. And this is the baked salmon. Again, today, I want to thank you for joining me and my family for another Lifestyle with Ivan. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up a new video. Earlier today, I cut some coconut down, and I got a gallon of coconut water, and I was drinking the coconut water. And if you drink the coconut water and you squeeze a little lime in it, man, it is so good. It is so good.